I love sausage, egg, and cheese fast food breakfast sandwiches. I mean, what's not to like? They are filling and tasty and satisfying. Of course, they're also high in fat, high in calories, all that, which is why I don't go to the drive-thru every single day. But today, I want to show you how to make your own breakfast sandwich with sausage, egg, cheese on a bagel that's only 430 calories and has 50 grams of protein. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds through a combination of mindful eating and daily walking, and these days I'm just trying to maintain my weight and stay in shape. So this sausage, egg, and cheese bagel breakfast sandwich is super filling and super delicious and really easy to make with only a few ingredients. So if you guys are ready, I'm hungry. Let's get cooking. All right, so in this bowl, I have one large egg, and to season it, we're gonna keep it really simple. A little bit of garlic salt, just a little. Sprinkle some of that in, there we go. And a little bit of black pepper. Sprinkle some of that in there just to taste. All right, now I'm also just gonna add 3 grams of fat-free shredded cheddar, and the only reason I'm adding this is to bring the calorie and protein count up to what I want. It's such a small amount of cheese, it's not going to do much for flavor, but that's just to add a little bit more protein to make the number nice and even. Okay, so now just take a fork or a spoon or a whisk or whatever you want and mix this up thoroughly. And that's good to go. Next, take 5 ounces of turkey sausage. I am using Jenny O turkey sausage. Take that and divide it in half. We're going to make 2 turkey sausage patties out of this. I'm gonna do this mostly by hand, but then I'm gonna finish it on the foil. I've got non-stick foil here. All right, and now I'm just gonna finish forming these on here so they get nice and even and round to the size that we want. All right, and there we go. Our sausage patties are ready. Let's go ahead and prep the bagel. Now I'm gonna use one of these, Thomas's Keto Bagel Thins, because these are only 80 calories per bagel. So we'll take one of the bagel thins and we'll spray the inside with I can't believe it's not butter 0 calorie spray. All right, this is ready to toast. I've got my cast iron griddle preheated on medium heat, so let's move to the stove and start cooking. All right, so a quick spray on the skillet with some nonstick spray, and let's put these on. There we go. Let's go ahead and let this toast. That's gonna go pretty quick because this seems like it's pretty hot. Press that with a spatula just a little bit. All right, that looks pretty good to me. Let's go ahead and take the bagel off. Okay, so to get a nice round egg, I'm gonna use one of these silicone egg rings. I'm gonna spray it with some cooking spray just to help make sure it doesn't stick to it when it cooks. And now I'm gonna spray a little bit on the pan. Put this here. And I'm going to try very hard not to have it leak out from under there, but it still might, because these things are not perfect. Come on. Yeah, a little bit leaked out. I can never seem to avoid it spilling out to some degree, but that's okay. And let's go ahead and cook the sausage. Spray the bottom portion here. Put this on. There's one patty. Ground turkey is always so delicate. It always seems to fall apart. You gotta be really careful with it. There we go. And I like to add a little bit of black pepper to my sausage as it cooks. All right, took the ring off the egg. We'll see how well I can flip this thing. I think this sausage is about ready to flip, so let me go ahead and flip that. Add 1 piece of fat-free American cheese to one of these sausage patties. I'm also going to add some Frank's Red Hot sauce to the egg. There we go. And that sausage should be about ready now. Let's go ahead and grab that egg, put that on here. Get the one with the cheese, put that one on top of that. And the last sausage patty right here. And here it is, a quick, simple sausage, egg, and cheese bagel sandwich. I know it looks kind of thin because it's a bagel thin.
But it's not just a clever name.
I want to take a bite. Here we go. Oh yeah, that turkey sausage is really good. Let me take another bite. Yeah, this is really tasty. Don't be deceived by the looks. It may be kind of thin and floppy, but the flavor is there. Now, I could have done this on a hamburger bun. It would have been a little taller, might have looked a little bit prettier, but I just wanted some variety. I do a lot of stuff on hamburger buns, and I wanted to see how these bagel thins are. You know what? They're pretty good. I do wish they were a little bit thicker, but you know what? Cutting down on those calories, can't complain. I was not expecting to eat the whole thing before going over the macros, but what can I say? I was hungry. Okay, well, let me tell you what's in that sandwich. All right, so in that sausage, egg, and cheese bagel thin sandwich, we've got 430 calories, 20 grams of carbs, 22 grams of fat, and 50 grams of protein, which is crazy for that little thing to have 50 grams of protein. That is a protein-packed little sandwich. Well, as you can see, it's gone. I really enjoyed that sandwich, and if you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to like and subscribe to the CALORIE for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating.